Gates That Open LLC has been a leading designer and distributor of automatic gate operators and access controls for the professional residential gate industry since 1987. This video is designed to give you an overview of the steps involved in a successful gate automation project. Always read the instruction manual carefully and completely before attempting to install and use any automatic gate operator. It is extremely important that you understand all the safety instructions and that you explain them clearly and completely to the homeowner. Gate operators produce high levels of force, so stay clear of the unit while it is operating and exercise caution at all times. Gate operators can be activated in many ways. Always assume that it could open at any time. The areas of an automated gate system that should be avoided at all times are called entrapment zones and pinch points. These examples highlight these zones for both single and dual gate systems. It is important that all access controls such as keypads, intercoms, push buttons, or other entry devices to be at least 10 feet outside the gate swing path. Gates opening out from the property must never extend into vehicular or pedestrian traffic. Automated driveway gates are meant for vehicle traffic only. A separate entrance must be installed for pedestrian traffic and must be at least 10 feet from the driveway and gate. Always check to be sure the automated gate system complies with local codes. The Gate Operator Safety Standard, UL 325, specifies that automatic gate operators have a built-in entrapment sensing system and shall have provisions for, or be supplied with, at least one independent secondary means to protect against entrapment. All GTO gate operators have adjustable obstruction sensing built in, and the control boards are designed for easy installation of additional safety devices, such as photo beams and edge sensors. In case of power failure or other malfunction, a way to manually open the gate must be available. Before disconnecting any gate operator from the gate, be sure the power switch at the control box or panel is turned off. On GTO gate operators, you remove the hairpin clip and clevis pin from one of the mounting brackets and remove the arm. Always install safety signs, and be sure to explain all the safety instructions and precautions to your customer. Leave them a copy of the installation manual for reference. Every gate automation project is unique. Evaluate the entire gate application and site before choosing a gate operator system. One thing to consider is the size and weight of the gate. The condition of the gate and gate posts are also very important to a successful gate automation project. Make sure the gate posts are securely anchored in the ground using concrete, and that the gate is level and plumb, has been properly installed, and swings freely in both directions. Repair or replace all worn or damaged gate hardware prior to installation. Always use ball bearing hinges on gates weighing over 250 pounds. In order for the gate operator to work properly and to provide years of trouble-free service, it must be installed on a freely moving gate. Different types of gate posts may require different bracket hardware options. The gate post bracket mounting bolts must penetrate completely through the gate post. Wood posts require large washers to prevent the nuts and bolts from digging into the wood and becoming loose. Gate operators should be mounted mid-height on the gate. This will minimize the wear on the gate and gate post from the force exerted from the gate operator during the open and close cycle. The mounting point on the gate for the gate bracket must be sturdy and secure enough to carry the load of the gate as it is pulled and pushed by the gate operator. The stroke, or distance the push-pull tube travels during a cycle, can be different depending on the operator. One of the most important steps for a successful gate operator installation is the configuration of the gate post and gate brackets. If done correctly, the gate operator will have the best possible leverage, the proper clearance between the operator and the gate, and enough stroke to close the gate completely. Proper clearance, leverage, and stroke are critical to a trouble-free installation. If your project calls for multiple accessories, be sure that the system's control box is large enough to accommodate any additional hardware or circuitry that the accessories require. Plan for how the wires from the power source, the operator arms, receivers, and any accessories will be routed to the control box and connected to the appropriate terminals on the control board. Any wiring run underground or under the driveway should be run in PVC conduit, with additional conduit coming from the ground up to the control box. This not only allows for ease of changing wire if necessary, but it also protects it from lawnmowers, weed eaters, and animals. Familiarize yourself with the safety and control settings and how they are adjusted on the system you are installing. GTO's post-mount gate operators are powered by 12-volt DC batteries. The batteries must be continually charged using an AC transformer or solar panels. The batteries provide power to operate the system even in the event of a power outage. GTO gate operator kits come with an AC transformer for charging the battery. The transformer can be plugged into an AC power source up to 1,000 feet from the gate. Additional 16-gauge stranded direct burial low-voltage wire is required to run from the AC power source to the control board. In areas where AC power isn't available or not preferred, GTO gate operators can be charged using solar panels. Depending on where you mount the solar panels, you may need to purchase additional 16-gauge stranded direct burial low-voltage wire. It is recommended that two 12-volt 7 amp-hour batteries, or an automotive battery, be used for solar-charged systems. The extra battery capacity will provide additional cycles during overcast, low-charging weather. You must use either the AC transformer or solar panels to continually charge the system's battery, but never use both. Doing so will damage the system. All fencing and gate access controls are susceptible to lightning strikes and power surges. Although no grounding system absolutely protects against lightning strikes, we recommend that all automated gate systems be properly grounded to help minimize damage to the gate operator, controller, and accessories. GTO offers a grounding kit with mounting hardware and instructions.